So here's the quiet box I made for my drill press.
I'm Jason Head, and this is the Head Robotics channel.
I made it out of the box that it came in. So basically it has acoustic foam on the inside. And I've got a plexiglass window in the front here. So theoretically I could do some stuff without safety glasses. It also has a access side here so I can reach in on the side and operate it, and also manipulate any objects that I need there. It also comes with a lid to kind of help keep the noise level down, since I'm in a room trying to keep the noise level down. So this isn't actually real noisy, it's actually pretty quiet. So it's a cheap drill press that was under $100, so it's pretty nice. And then I've got down some carpet protector. So it should be a nice little amenity to the workshop. Workspace.